Anything wey Nigeria government let them do to stop the restoration of Biafra, let me tell you, you cannot kill the ideology of people. No, when people determine to die for what they believe on, you cannot stop them. This is one thing that the Nigeria government refuse to understand. My people, I want you to listen to wetin this man talk for this video. Listen very well. He talk so many things concerning the Igbo people and concerning this restoration. I want you to listen.
You know, say at the time many foolish people were in Nigeria. You know, say UN, United Nations say IPOB are not terrorist group. EU say they are not terrorists. African Union say no. EU, all of them say they are not terrorists. Too. You know, say since that time they never thought say they are terrorists. Even when they do anything, they release them. No. These people are fighting for a just cause. They want to liberate their people. They explain it. They tell Buhari, release this guy and those people and pay them so amount of money. As at that time, you remember, you know, so many foolish people in Nigeria. Many, as they tell you, no, they say go come. They don't understand how the world they do. The world know they go fast. They know they do something fast. They will tell you. You know, Saddam Hussein, Iraqi president, Gaddafi. They don't offend the UN since they leave them until when they kill them. That's what they do. So what made God to say before the end? He said there'll be bloodshed. He said, I go see something, you no go like him. He said, I go bleed. You no go feel bleed. Now blood self go come outside. No be saying that God go cause that problem. It's because the evil we have done to some people. That hour go come. You know, say everybody go wise up. The other people where they cheat, go come there powerful, come challenge you, come face you. You where they challenge them. You know, say there are many tribes here. At the end, north, west go be the back. Watch the tribes that will rule at the end. It's not going to be west or north. Watch. Oh, yeah, let me inform you. The biggest cities never come home. It's not Lagos State. These people, here. Do you know? Oh, yeah, let me tell you. Do you know that human being get expiration date? Sorry. You see my age. See how I am now. See your gray hair. See my own. 20, 30 years. Comment. Okay, no problem. Everybody, the whole governor where they rule anyhow, they share. Watch. You know, I tell people right from time. I tell them say they're not going to release Nnamdi Kanu. Some people go say, now this year, I tell them say for where. They're not going to release. Nnamdi Kanu will be released or something will happen that will make Nigeria shatter before the hour. If they can't release him normally, there will be something. Oh yeah, watch it now. You see what thing they go happen now? Oh yeah, are they telling you people the news? What is going on here? You know, then they hide them. As many people they say nothing that happened. No, Simon Ekpa is in it. They not tell them here now. The Nigerian government go bribe everybody, all the whole press people there. Not only Sahara go release more, leave them. They bribe them. Oh yeah, when they did a study, say the most intelligent ethnic group among blacks. Did they tell Nigerians? Did they write it in your paper? You know, say all over the world are the most intelligent people. Where Oyibo, where the whole world talk. That data, they don't tell them. Then they reveal it here. They say the people that come from the eastern part of the country called Nigeria, Igbos. He said any part of the world you go, they are there. He said they prosper from nowhere. They prosper anywhere. Let me tell you. They see, the formula they use, very easy. Come, in the eastern region, no one man control Igbo people say, vote like this. This one, You know, say that in a backwardness, the foolishness. Now, mumu, say this one, our leader, you obey our leader. Igbo know they do them. Go to all the whole world, they don't do that. You obey the law.
Yes.
You don't obey a president.
Yes.
The president, you elect the president to use the law to rule you.
Thank you.
To govern you.
You are making sense.
If the president fail, we're not going to impeach him.
Another one will come.
Another one will come up. Come, use our law.
Say yes, you are right. They go away.
You know, when they go another place, they say this one's smart. Oh. See how they are behaving. You can't go to Igbo land and control Igbos.
No,
you can't. No. You can't go to South Africa. South Africa control South Africa.
Yes.
Anyhow, because you know they don't wise up. They don't vote tribalism. Do you know there's no country on earth where get one tribe? Or ordinary 4 tribes. You know they?
No.
America no get 4 tribes. It is more than 4 tribes. Indigenous people there. You don't know? But if you come, then they use justice. What will prosper them? To vote.
The law will guide them.
The law, they know they vote tribe.
Thank you.
You can't come and vote a foolish man saying I am tribe. Instead of you to vote for the intelligent man to rule you, to change your life, you say vote for his foolish idiot. Doubt, make it come rule you. Hey, he say no, leave her. That's how Nigeria be. Then go at the center. Can you say Tinubu and Buhari are the same?
They are not the same.
Can you say Atiku and Tinubu are the same?
It's
Can you
only
say
you
that? Are you a dead man? Are you insane to say they are the same?
How the politicians
So can you say Okorocha and this one where they rule now are the same thing?
No.
Are they the same thing? They are not. Or Hakim and this one are not the same.
No.
They are all different. There's the one where they're intelligent, pass.
Yes.
There's the one where go do well. You be like Jonathan. Can you compare Jonathan and Tinubu? Are you dead?
They are not the same.
Oh yeah, let me. You know why I say are you dead? Go and read the Bible. There are people God called dead already. They are alive.
Yes.
Go and read the Bible. That's why I use the term. There are people God called fools. God they call people fools.
Yes.
Go and read the Bible. I know the free quote. Anytime I talk, I use Bible join it. Any pastor, do it around, go check. God says some people are already dead.
Yes.
He said if you are not, just, many people don't know. But I want Nigeria. Now they don't bribe. Femi Fani-Kayode.
Yeah.
Omokre. They don't rent now. Jonathan, they go bribe them, go talk. Because they know say Biafra issue don't do one kind. If Biafra come, other minorities will be afraid. But where the capital go there, Sam. So you believe say it can come, but where capital go there, ain't the problem.
Yeah.
Now, the other one going to say, hey, remember 1966? They are panicking. You know why all of them are panicking? Let me inform you. Divide Nigeria and see some tribes will be mumu. Divide Nigeria and see what will happen. Say when Soviet Union divided, now 16, I mean 15 countries come out. How many of them you know? Say only like 4.
Yes.
Many of them are like Mugu.
Yes.
They know they're alive. Some of them.
Only like 4 days.
Only 4. Not petroleum. Number 1 wealth is the Igbo man we stand. I want to prosper. Not land. Not tree. I want to make it. I came back 3 days ago. I spent 2 good weeks in the eastern region. I moved about. I just came back. This is the highest Christmas ever celebrated since 20 years now in the eastern region. Those guys came out. You know why? Anybody go and challenge. This is the biggest Christmas ever. Wait, Jesus say, go and fill your keg. When he fill and finish, he become how many? Because they can clear the whole day. When he go clear, when he come back, he don't fill again. That is how Jesus is doing it for eastern region. Amen. Then they talk. Open newspaper now, Igbo, then they talk about. And since how many years now? Then they frustrate Nigerians. They do anyhow. When a lesson do, and Igbo they won't do because they know Igbos are intelligent. That these people will tell this once where then they rule, where be their people, the original truth. And they make sure that you cast them so that our people don't go listen to them. If they listen to them, then go change the Nigeria. That's the thing that they play. Now, Easterners don't they tired. Now they want to break away. And they are following it accordingly. No. Now, Nnamdi Kanu, catch them. They say, okay, bring evidence. They don't know what to do. They are not gathering evidence. Nigeria has been gathering evidence since so. I bring evidence, come and they don't release all the home men, powerful guys with it. And that woman from Washington, from US, they're in charge now. And in North America, they respect woman. And that one, Yawa, then they follow him normally. Now, you hold our leader. This one now, they say alive. Him be disciple. You hold him again. I bring evidence, say him be terrorist. They know bring her now. Human rights is enshrined in Nigeria in UN Charter. You have right to live alone. I have right not to greet you. Do you know I have right to occupy here? I'm occupying this space.
Yes.
Get my language. You see this being. This figure has right to occupy this space. I'm occupying this space. If I change now, this space is empty.
Yes.
I am occupying here again. Number 1, when you are alive, you have the right to occupy a space. That place you are standing. So before any other right, you have a right to be on your own. There are many nations, they don't even reach 10 million to be a country. Yes. Now, these people say they want to go. Oh yeah, give them referendum. Vote. Must it be by war? They say no. Oh yeah, let them be on your own. Say you say Hausa big. Yoruba say Lagos. Okay, divide it and go. All of you are afraid. One Nigeria. One. The thing they irritate me. What is one Nigeria? What is the meaning of one Nigeria? Must it be the one Nigeria? And you are abusing this people. Where you know say they are more intelligent, very powerful. Okay? Listen and listen. We are started. Oyibo will look all blacks. All blacks. Oyibo, Papa, elders of the world. Gather. They studied all blacks. They say they have studied all blacks for years. The most intelligent of among them are Igbo people. They say the people that come from the eastern part of the country called Nigeria, they call them Igbos. Now they're more intelligent than any other tribe in Africa. Among the whole blacks, whether in Zambia or Mozambique or Kenya. Oh yeah, this is when me I tell you now, go and take it then go. Nigerian government bribe them, make they no bring up for this paper, make they no let Nigeria share. Igbo people, if you go to Zambia, they say Igbo take villages of Zambia. They get skyscrapers. You go to Kenya, you go to Japan. There are Igbo people who don't spend 50 years in Japan, they pass millions. Where they move the government of Japan, China. Then they build a house, then they leave their land and go to another land, where be strange land and prosper there. Can you do it? Number one thing, where they take access somebody where they powerful, a tribe where they powerful, leave your place and go to Kenya, go to Zambia, Mozambique, blend with those people, learn their language, understand their tricks, maneuver their tricks, and prosper in their language, their tricks. And they don't know your own tricks. Yes, you know their own tricks. Use it to prosper. You pass them. What you are saying is go to the whole of Nigeria, Africa. No tribe again get property like Igbos all over Africa. They are in China. They are in all the whole part of Africa, yes. The whole part of the world. They learn languages. They mix. They watch. And they hold their own culture too. They hold and tight. Then they do meeting everywhere they are. Then they train their people in their businesses without collecting 10 kobo. The highest kind of skill, the higher kind of system of trade ever in the history of mankind. No Igbo man will hide in business from his brother. He go tell you, say, but are you interested? Can you learn? Can you cool down and learn this thing? He is strong. You say yes, you can do it. Oh yeah. You know no Igbo man they collect 1,000 naira to train you how to manufacture car. You know they will come. You go learn. You go gather 5 people. This December now, many people don't go home to carry people come. Go to Kenya, go to stay this my shop. You go train them. When you train finish, we share small money. Go and bet. You know, go get your own shop near me. Go far. Yes. Now so then they spread all over. Go here now. Go any part of Nigeria. Go any part of Africa. That's what they do. So Oyibo can study it. Go see who are these guys. Yes.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. As you don't watch that video, I bet may you share and drop your own opinion in the comment section.